Hello everyone, it's Seth Chandler with Witter Coin in San Francisco, and we just got a lot of coins back from PCGS and some CACs. So we're gonna have Ira open these up under the cameras, check them in, and then we're gonna see what's in the boxes. I know you guys are really excited. All right, so Ira just unboxed everything. This is what we have. These big boxes are actually a bulk order of Morgan dollars, meaning we submit, it's, I don't know, it's 200 or 300 coins there. But hey, Ira, good job unpacking all this stuff. All right, appreciate it. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go through some of the more interesting stuff back from PCGS, I would say. Here's the first coin right here, 1874 CC dime. Super rare coin, probably like 110, 125 of these known, but just like a problem-free good. Cool coin. All right, folks, so here is a interesting coin. It's a details coin, altered surfaces. This is something that you will learn a lot off of. You can see all the little wispy hairlines around the coin. It almost looks like artificial frost. But yeah, the coin's been like lightly cleaned. Boom, you see all those hairlines going in that direction? That is a coin that has been altered to look a lot better than what it is. So it's a neat coin. All right, there we go. Aha, fair too. Trying to get a low ball, huh? Poor one would have been better, but yeah, it's not bad. Somebody's pocket piece for a long time. Slightly a little bit better to 820. There you go, just to see, you can see why it's a 2. It's got the heavy marks out there, but great luster, a lot of flash, very clean out there, but it is what it is, just a 62. Move that over. It's an old school Lincoln. Yeah, this is a group of commims that came in the shop, and they were in old envelopes for a long time, and that's one of them. That's a nice coin. So we submit that one to CEC. Here is a really neat Vancouver. It's a dark coin, but it's not like that dark, but it's got really cool exotic like gray orange toning to it. It's a lot of great luster. Really mark free too as well. It's not dull at all. Vibrant. Then here is pretty much the key. This was really cool when this came in raw. Very nice. A little orange toning, a little funky, but great luster. Really a cool coin. High grade Hawaiian, the key date. Okay, Bay Bridge. You can see all these kind of have a similar storage. They have similar toning because they were stored the same way for probably 50, 60 years. It's got that really cool gray look, but it's still very lustrous. Sometimes when toning gets a little too heavy, it impairs the luster. Not here. And here's another Bay Bridge. A little more golden. Oh, it's pretty. I actually like it. It's kind of ugly pretty. It's one of those things. Beautiful in the reverse. Some of that rose. Very nice. All right. Let's go over here. So here is a 1928 quarter. MS65 CAC. That's a very pretty coin. Very pretty. Great luster. Great little color. All right. Then here is also another old holder NGC coin. Look at that. It's got like a weird fiery orange color to it. Without that toning, this thing would almost be orange. Very cool. Look how sharply struck that is. It's almost a little proof-like too. Really nice flying eagle scent. Love the design. All right, here is a nice 1934 S Walking Liberty half. MS65. This coin did not, this is a CEC submission, by the way. This coin did not, sticker, it's got quite a few marks out there, little light hairlines on the high point. It's okay, it's not bad, it's just not great. All right, here we go, old green holder. Hey Lewis, they made a mistake over here. The sticker's the wrong color. It's gold, what does that mean?
It's really bad.
It's bad? Oh, okay, I thought that was good. No, seriously, folks, gold sticker means the coin would at least green sticker at 1 point higher. So this coin is a very, very nice, really kind of a 66 quality, 66 plus. That's what the gold sticker indicates. That's really cool. Nice fresh coin. Very nice. All right, let's see what the next coin is. Oh, we got another gold CAC sticker here on a Morgan dollar. They must be having problems over there, but again, gorgeous coin. At least a solid 5, probably a 5+ coin. Really neat. Gold sticker. It's been a while since we've gotten a couple of gold stickers. Maybe a week or so. Here we go. Nice little 1897 S dollar. MS64 CAC. Not bad. All right, what we got here? 1921 Peace dollar, one of my favorite designs. Decent strike on it, but just a little impaired. Got all that activity out there, so you can see why that coin didn't sticker. What else we got here? Got a 3-legged buffalo nickel that did not sticker. Just a little too cleany looking. Pretty clear. Got a high relief. This is one of the ones that came in over the counter in the shop. I mean, a gorgeous coin. Really, really nice. Great luster, flashy. But this does heavier marks out there in the field. Really kind of hurt it. Other than that, it's still a nice coin. Close to getting stickering. But yeah, that's kind of heavy. So it is what it is. Very pretty coin. All right, what else we got here? Here's a 1916 half. It's a beast. So, I mean, that, to me, first look, shot 7, no question. On the reverse, there you go, bingo. See all the, it's almost a little bit of damage on the rim and right there. That's not on the plane sheet. So that's what really hurt it from getting a CAC sticker. But is it a 6 with that? Yeah. I mean, look at that coin. That's a solid 7 without that. Nice coin though. All right. And then all these coins over here, all these dollars. So here you go. You get like, 83 O's and 63. We had a bunch of BU rolls. Let's see, we got some more. Wow, a lot of 63, 83 O's it looks like. What do we got over here? This is a lot of fun when you have a lot of like BU Morgans like this. They're all fresh and just kind of cherry. I mean, they're just Morgans, but they're just still fun. Got some 64 pluses. They are what they are. Okay, so we have an 8303. I mean, it's heavy marks, but it's got a little cleaner area there, but just great luster, sharp strike. Just kind of a fresh looking BU coin. Here's a 4. A lot less marks on the cheek. You got that out there, but clearly a better coin than this. And then here's a couple of 85 and 4+. You can see how these were even a little bit better. A little bit more cleaner there. So was that one. So without that mark, that'd be a nice 5. But, oh well. All right, folks. So there you go. I mean, we get in packages, regularly, probably 3 to 4 days a week. Not all of them are like this, but it's always like a lot of, 3 to 5 different submissions. Typically, we submit a lot of coins. That's how you get good at grading. Is when you submit a lot of coins, because not only can you write down your grades, what you think they'll grade, but you'll get kind of instant results and you can match yourself up against the professionals. It's just how you get better. I mean, the more you sort, the more you look at coins, the better you're gonna be. Because you'll, you'll start to figure out, your eyes will like understand what you're seeing. What do you see on the coin? Versus an untrained eye, or like when you look at modern art, just a bunch of blah, like streaks of color. But, somebody who knows art can explain all that and understand it. It's the same thing with coins. The more you look at, the more you'll understand. And the more opportunities you get to look at a lot of coins like this, you're just gonna get better and better and better. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I got a couple cool gold stickers here, but there you go.